Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics. And first of all, I just want to say happy 4th of July. I hope you get to see this video before the 4th. And what I wanted to show you was this cute little treat that you could give to your guests that is so simple to make, no glue involved, just a little bit of folding. And I wanted to talk about these cookies that I found. These were at Costco and they're a s'mores cookie. They have, if you can see, a little chocolate and a little marshmallow in it, and then the cookie. And if you take it and put it in your microwave for about 10 seconds, it's just this warm s'mores cookie. Delicious. And I thought it would be a nice little gift, parting gift for my friends, because I've got pies and things I'm making for after dinner, and we have other things that we're making. So this one would be great just to have made ahead of time. So I'm going to show you how I did it. It's so simple. This is some of the Bright and Beautiful designer series paper, which I want to remind everybody, June 30th, this is the last day that you can save 15% on this. On a lot of designer papers, you can go to my blog at StampFUNatics.com, and it shows you all the papers that are on sale. Okay, so what I wanted to do was show you, let's see, I think I want the darker, like on this one I had the lighter one fold down and the darker in the back. But I think this time I'm going to leave this up at the top to fold down. So I'm just going to turn it over, and let's see, will this work out if I do it this way? Probably upside down. Okay, I'm just going to fold it down, triangle to triangle like this, and then take my bone folder and give it a good crease. And then, let's see, I think we're going to have to do it backwards like this. Make sure I've got it folded correctly there. And then you're just going to take the top part, yeah, well, whatever, however it comes out, it's fine. I'm going to take this edge and run it along this edge just to get a line. And again, I'll just score it. I'm going to fold that back up, and then right at this corner right here, I'm going to fold this point to that corner and just give it a crease and fold this point, let me get that creased better, over to this corner and fold it down. And then take the top part and fold it over. I got the light again, but that's okay. I like them any of the colors. And then it makes a pocket that you can then put your cookie in, like that. Okay, and I decided to decorate the front a little bit. So I took Stylish Shapes. I took the second smallest circle and cut out a piece of white cardstock. And I'm going to stamp with my country bouquet that says "For You." And I'm just going to use some real red ink. Let's just ink that up. And then I'm kind of putting it more towards the bottom of the circle, because I'm going to put the stars up around the top a little bit. Close up that ink. And then I've cut out 3 stars out of red cardstock. And I did that with the Give It a Whirl, where it has these wonderful stars, and you could actually make double at one time to save time. So I'm going to take my glue dots and just start with the largest one. And I'm going to put it a little bit on the side like that. Take the next size. And just sort of put it over there. And then their little tiny one, I'm going to take that one too. And let's see, where's my glue dot? There it is. And I'm just going to put that off to the side down here. Then I'm using my 2023-2025 colored dots, and I'm going to use the blue ones. Let me get my take your pick. And I am using the middle size for the big star, and then the little tinier ones for the other two. So cute and easy. Okay, and then I took a dimensional and I put it on the back. Just one. And put that right there in the middle. And look how cute. I mean, these are really fast and easy because you can do all your pre-cutting ahead of time, do your stamping, and then just take your paper and assemble. And that's my little treat for you for 4th of July. I hope you have time to make them. I'm sure your guests will enjoy going home and having another little snack. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I have a newsletter that comes out every Tuesday with more of these ideas. You can see it at StampFUNatics.com, and I'll have more of the measurements and things there. Thanks.